Use herbs for natural breast enlargement. If you want to get bigger breasts but don't have the money or inclination to get a breast augmentation done, then you may want to consider using herbs for natural breast enlargement. Several herbs have been shown to affect the development of the mammary glands and may aid in helping you achieve a fuller bosom. Here's how to use herbs for natural breast enlargement. Have realistic expectations. The first thing you need to know about taking herbs for breast enlargement is that it won't be a dramatic result. For one thing, if you're in a cup, you simply cannot move up to a C or D cup using herbs alone. Your genes play a major role in the size of breasts you will have, as well as your diet and weight. If you take herbs for breast enlargement, perhaps you will see a little more fullness than usual. Use the concentrated pill form. If you want to get the full effect of using herbs to increase your bust line, then you need to take a pill or capsule form. Various companies have different herbal concoctions combining various herbs to produce the best results. Also, you may need to take the pills for an extended period of time before you can see results and to be able to maintain any enlargement you may achieve. Use Fenugreek. The herb Fenugreek is loaded with pytoestrogen, which is a known estrogen stimulant. Estrogen is a female hormone that is responsible for breast development. Fenugreek can be taken in a capsule form or can be found in breast creams. Read the manufacturer's instructions, but generally, the cream should be used twice daily and massaged directly on the breast area. Find products with red clover. Red clover contains 4 different types of pytoestrogens. Unlike other herbs, red clover has genestein, which is a substance that aids in the formation of breast tissue. Try saw palmetto. This berry helps in breast development by managing the overproduction of testosterone in the body. It is often taken in capsule form, 3 times a day. Cook with cumin. Cumin is another herb that has the potential to increase bust size. Use it in powder form in various dishes. Mix it with your oatmeal in the morning. Explore other options of breast enlargement. Aside from using herbs, you may benefit from using other means to increase your bust line. Exercise can help make the chest area look firmer by strengthening the muscles in the chest area. There is also surgery. You can also give the appearance of having a full bust line by wearing the correct type of clothing. Keep in mind that most studies have been done on animals and so any results on humans may not be as conclusive. Also, Should you decide to try herbs as a natural means of enlarging your breasts, you should discuss this first with your physician. Though herbs are generally safe to take, in large doses and concentrated amounts, it may prove detrimental to your health. Finally, after your research and trying various ways to increase your bust size, you may just have to come to terms with what you are naturally endowed with. If herbal remedies don't work and you don't want surgery, you can always fake it using the correct bra and fillers.